Guys, what's up? I'm making a video with Jeffy. See, today, guys, actually it's nighttime. It is actually 8:33 p.m. Back on the road. See, that's not the time. Yeah, you guys can tell it's not the time because it's not the time. It's not 8:50. It is 8:33. Although I can't really see it from down here. So whenever I press something, I can't see it from down here. Hour 7:30 is not even the time. Trying to go down, but it's not touchscreen thing, so yeah. Then look at this, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys something I can do. Touch this button right here. Lights come on. I go out. Okay. So let me show you. I'm gonna touch. Where's the button? See this foot? The button that looks like a foot. That one. This button right here. I touch that. Oh wait, no. If I touch the top one. Ready? Boom, light on, off. See, this is legitimate darkness. I didn't find that out until I just started pressing the buttons. Oh, can you guys see the light? Okay, so yeah, so let me just turn that on. Yes, that's the right one, and the foot one I kind of like because it's the feet. Then here's an air conditioner. You guys hear that air coming out? I don't know. I'm not a phone. What do you think I am? Intelligent? Oh, I guess I am because I'm a human. But those of you aliens watching this, bleep, no, bleep, 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 don't adopt me ever again. See, I'm out in the country where there's been 7 alien and Bigfoot spottings. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. If there were Bigfoot and spottings like that, we'd be like rich millionaires, but we're not, guys. We're not. There are other trucks here that don't like us, I bet. Just look for my sunglasses so I can shine this light in my eyeballs. Wait, I think I remember I think my sunglasses are in here. Nope. Up here? No. Making a video.
What happened to them?
Huh?
Your sunglasses are there.
Huh? Okay, my dad just helped me get my glasses. So let me show you what they look like, guys. These are my glasses. Hopefully I look good in them. So now we can shine the light in my eyes. You guys can't tell if my eyes are open or shut. These glasses do fog up a bit. That's my problem. So I may end up going to sleep in this video. Oh God. My dad's on the top bunk, so he's gonna be shaking the truck a lot. You. So yeah, guys. I may end up falling asleep in the middle of the video, or right now. We'll see, let me pause it. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I stopped the video because I wasn't feeling good and I had to use the bathroom. Yeah. So I got the air facing me right now. It's trying to cool me off. I may check in the morning to continue my vlog. I don't know. I've seen videos that is like an hour long. Like, woo, woo, woo. I bet in the future, like 2038, or like 2020, like 2000 and like 25 or 2070 or 2000 and like 32, like 2032. In the year 2032, I'm hoping there would be androids in Detroit, deviants too, because I want that to happen in real life. To make it to my video camera goggles. Got my video camera goggles on, guys. I don't know if you can see inside. So there, yeah. That looks bright on camera, but in real life, hurting my eyes. So I may check in the morning. Yeah, guys, I may check in the morning. I don't know if I'll check in the morning or wait, where's the camera? Is that it? Oh, okay. So guys, I may check in the morning. I may not check in the morning. Yeah. But we're gonna tomorrow. We're gonna me and my dad, or I'm just gonna play a game in an arcade that's across the street, or not really an arcade. That's in like a truck stop. It's in a truck stop across the street. It's a game where you get quarters. So I want to put in a few quarters, see how many quarters I can get back. See if I can get any money, which would be amazing. And then I'm going to try and get like an iPod or something, whatever it's called. I don't know. Headphones, the coin dollar, maybe even two. I don't know. I'm going to try. Like I see change like right next to me. But just to tell you, we're not rich, guys. $10,000. We're not rich. We are not rich, and we're never gonna be rich. I mean, not too many people who are rich. If any rich people are watching my vlogs, or just watch my videos at all, I want to tell you, we are not rich. I know this control panel may make us seem like we're rich, but no, we're not. Let me just turn off that light off. So their lights are off. Footlight on. Headlight off. Boom. Middle light on. Middle light off. Backlight on. Backlight off. I know, guys. It's not real. Pressing the controls and saying, to entertain myself and keep myself. Ooh. Look at, guys, the light's flickering. And it's gone. Just kidding. I'm turning on my backlight. Oh, I'm just gonna lay down. Maybe I'm gonna get some, yeah, guys, so I'm gonna get some sleep. I think it's the second day. Tomorrow will be the third day. My 5 or 6 day trip. No cameras, noises anymore. That was from up there. From up there where the light just came from. That was from up there at the top bunk. Yeah. My dad sleeps on the top bunk and I sleep on the bottom bunk. I think what I want to say. I don't feel good too much. I don't feel too good, guys. I'm trying to keep my air focused on me so that way I can feel better. But I think I'm just homesick because yeah, major fault. I'm falling asleep. Oh, yeah, so you get down just me. If I fall asleep on camera, the camera falls down. Just click off the video. Okay, guys. So yeah. Trucker life is amazing. So the video is 10 minutes long. Wee wee. Throw a light party. Light on? On, I said. Oh. That's the footlight. On, off. Off. See, can't see anything? Kind of see? Really see? Look, you'll never know what position my finger's gonna be in next. Don't kind of see? Really see? Can't see. What position is my finger gonna be in? Can't see, or kind of see. Can see. So guys, yeah, you know what? I'm bored. I'm gonna see if I can watch stuff. Although I have 2 bars of Wi-Fi. I don't know how I'm gonna post this video. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I don't even know if I posted my other video. Look at that light flashing around. What? Oh my god, I think so. I'm outside. Okay, let me get outside to see the light better. Wow, guys, it's really flying around. Holy cow. Oh, there's something blue next to it. Whoa. Hold on, let's see. Let's turn on our flashlights. Let's turn those things on. Oh, wait, we're still in the truck. If we're still in the truck, then what is that? Oh. No. And then I do that. Coat there, and coat there. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, guys, I'll continue the video tomorrow, but other than that, I think this is a wrap. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.